It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 19 of Vlogmas. Yes, sir. I want to see your reactions. Please read my note first. Reaction. You know what? The pan is something so you have to cut it.
Something from SB2.
It's squared. You know if you read maths. Sorry. Sorry.
So it's late, but you know what they say. Better late than never. We love you. Oh! And appreciate it. Happy birthday. Love. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. What?
Woo! It have a tear, so anyway I take it have a tear.
I don't know, she don't want tear or something. It's out of order.
Sit in there. I bet you jump out here and sit in there.
It's
It's good. I think they say it will get puffier when once it come out of the bag. So they say. So they say I treat in a bag when it's so flat. Yeah, come up, man.
I know nothing do me alright.
Sitting else in that same sitting there, so I don't know what you do with it. You must job.
Oh, in the bed. Take him around with him. I got pretty necklace. Next.
I don't know if I like the next one, but anyways.
This one are you?
No, it's what I find to away.
Gift number 2. I'm so excited. Oh my god, you know I love this.
And it come with the pillowcase.
I actually ordered one and never get it because them say them out of stock.
Oh, bruh.
On purpose.
Then they will leave for me a pen.
God.
I wanted to get a different, design, but at that time only purple one they have. Alright guys, so I know this video is quite short, but your girl was tired and all. So yesterday we went shopping, but I went shopping for gifts. And I don't want to be showing that because I don't want whoever I'm buying the gifts for to actually see that. So I did buy some gifts yesterday. And I will be unboxing them in a video, but I will not be like showing what I'm unboxing, I guess. What I'm wrapping. I will be wrapping them in a video, but I will not be showing like what I'm wrapping. So yeah, but today is Sunday actually. Sunday, it's like 7:28 p.m. and I have not yet uploaded the vlog. Or yesterday. Yeah, that's how tired I was because we got back late. I went to my bed like after 10 and then we had to get up early because we were in charge of service today and cantata and all of that. So we had cantata today. It's like a Christmas cantata. So it's basically a service. We had it in our regular church service because Corona kind of caused us to have to push it to the morning service. But it was fine. It went great. We loved it and all. And just want to say to all my kids, all my babies, you guys did well today. Hopefully you guys are watching this, so I'm not just talking to myself, but you guys did well today. Today was amazing. I just enjoyed today. Anybody know me know that Christmas time are my time, so when something Christmas related go well, me happy. So yeah, I will probably insert like a few clips, but I can't do a lot. Probably I'll just put some like 1 and 2 videos or so, and like the dance. But the dance, no, here what's gonna go with the dance I can't show like the music and so that would be like fast forwarded and whatever. So yeah, let's roll that clip right now.
He was despised and rejected
hated by men, a man of sorrows and familiar with suffering. Like one from those who men hide their faces, he was despised and we esteemed him not. Surely he took up our infirmities and carried our sorrows. Yet we considered him stricken by God, submitted by him and afflicted. Ding dong, 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 ding dong. Hark the bells, streets of the bells, all sweet say no, it's the way Christmas is here, bring the church to young and old, meek and the bold, ding dong, glad is the sound, with offering all caroling, one sweet to hear, word of the church from everywhere, give to hear. Oh, that the sound, raise the sound, more than ten, give every word, we sing song, cheer Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas, merry, 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 merry Christmas, ding dong, ding dong. H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas.
Start.
H is for the Holy One who saves us all from death. R is the midnight food that we need.
I is to eat girls that we may always give.
F is for shepherd who gives us ample herd. C is for the children which that were sent our way. M is for Mother Mary, name is dwelling good. A is for Matthew, who always puts us first.
S is for salvation.
Again, thank you so much guys for all your hard work, all the days of practice and all. And just want to say, guys who are watching this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for, you know, subscribing, because I know you can subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. Go ahead, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment something down below. Today's subscriber or subscribers of the day goes to the Roach Way and to Mina's Day Vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, for subscribing, for commenting. It means so much to me. See you guys in the next one. Bye.